We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erath County until 9:30. A severe thunderstorm is located between Huckabee and Stephenville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This particular storm probably poses a wind hazard threat more than anything else. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, possibly stronger. Stephenville, Morgan Mill, Bluffdale, and Hannibal, Bunyan, and Highland are all included. Also, Interstate 20 between mile markers 360 wind threat from the severe stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.